Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am actually looking to explain the Yawabeh SignalVault market scanner and how it functions, and we will be following the signals generated by this SignalVault market scanner. We will reconfirm those signals from your SD volume suite and will take live trade as per the instructions. So Yawabeh signal vault scanner right now says there are some trading instruments that are trending upside and some in the downtrend. Just like gold, it says on M30 the gold pair is having strong buy signal. So let's see on switching the gold pair whether this signal is valid. If you see the M30 of the gold pair, the market is trending up, very aggressive. So if we see the Yawabeh SQ volumes here, the volume of this the buyer side is 78% and the strength of the volume is 86%. The multiple trend panel says M30, H1 and H4 suggest bullish signal, and T1 means the daily time frame says that the gold pair is in the neutral demand area. That is also suggesting buy increase. So that means we reconfirm the signal with the Yawabeh signal vault data and extraction or suggestion, and we found the signal valid. So the same way, I'm again looking at GBPCHF here, which suggests strong sell signal on H4, and the statement is sell now. This indicator had got four statements: sell now, buy now, overbought, oversold, exit, and hold your position. So that means if it says hold your position, you need to hold and wait for the next instruction. So if it says sell now or buy now, you need to enter your position. That means the signal is valid. And if it says the market is in the overbought or in the oversold zone, it will suggest you that kindly exit the order. So now on GBPCHF here on H4 time frame, we got strong sell signal and it says sell now. So let's switch to GBPCHF here. This is the GBPCHF here. We are analyzing the chart on H4 time frame. Let's see what the Yawabeh volume suit says. The volume analysis panel shows the seller volume of GBPCHF pair on H4 is 67%, and the seller strength of GBPCHF pair on H4 is 83%, which is very strong. And the multiple trend panel says on N30 neutral supply, H1 bullish signal, but on higher time frame like H4 and daily time frame, it says the market is trending downside. So on H4, if we see based on the technical overview of the chart, we got clear technical structure. The market created high, and the market made its correction. The market created higher low, and then the market created higher high, and the market again was under control of the sellers. They pushed it hard, but the market couldn't even retest except with this level, because this is the level where I believe that the liquidity is intact in the market. So the market could definitely liquidate this zone, because there will be too many traders with stop loss setting around this zone. So the market has to completely break through this zone and liquidate this area. So at this point, the market has, you know, broken through this trend line. Just a moment. Okay. So this area is quite important. Let's draw. This is actually the trend line. So the market, has broken this trend line downward, and now it's playing around this area, which is exactly perfect correction area. So if we see the indicators and tools all suggest, sell signal, and we see it based on the technical structure, it says sell signal. And let's switch to the lower time frame. The scenario of the chart is quite same, but we need to make little modification. So this is actually the area. Let's draw it again on the lowest time frame. So this is the area. The market is far below, from this zone, and now these are the zones we can consider the resistance zone, where the market was previously, supported by buyers, and it was upside, but now it has become, strong resistance zone. The market is below this resistance level, and that's the way, is the point, or is the reason we will be preparing short. So I'm entering a short position with 3 standard lots on GBPCHF. It's a market order. Okay. And my stop loss is around just about this area. My take profit will be, because I believe that the market will liquidate this area, and the next target is this zone. So this is a swing trade. I will be updating you possibly based on the market movement and volatility. So if it either hit my stop loss or take profit, that will possibly take days or even more, but it will be less. So once I exit this position, so you will be updated on it. Right? So right now the trade is in $51 per. We follow the signal generated by the Yawabeh SignalVault market scanner, where it suggested that GBPCHF pair is, having potential trade opportunity in the short direction, and it mentioned the time frame as well. So we switched to the GBPCHF pair and reconfirmed the signal with the Yawabeh volume suit, where on H4 the volume and the strength of the volume is quite higher for seller side, and the histogram bar also is, in favor of the self-correction, because it's having strong red bars. They indicate the pressure of the suppliers. So we enter, our position at this area. It's around 1.10858, and we already have set our stop loss and take profit. So let's see how it plays. I will update you in my next video. So I wish you all the best and have a very blessed